There's quail there, and they keep jumping up. You can see he's trying to figure it out. They're on both sides and they're going in and out of they can't figure it out. I don't know if you can see, they're going through in and out of the tire. It is so funny. And you know, it's chrome, so he just can't figure it out. He's jumping up into the tire, inside of the tire, and going out. He's just like, wait, where are you? I've got to figure, are you over there? Are you over here? Where are you? Oh no, where'd you go? Uh-huh. And he's going, Mark, he's going on the inside of the tire and coming through the other side because he can't figure out, I can see you, but where are you? Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Are you over here? So, as you can see, they were seeing themselves in that and then jumping through thinking that they were on the other side. That was so funny, I couldn't believe it.